Hi there, it's Wendy from wendybottrell.com, and I'm out for my morning daily walk, and I just wanted to share a couple of ideas on the benefits of walking for your health and your longevity. I think both are important when you're thinking about getting started or continuing an exercise and health program is the longevity, because being healthy well into your later years in life gives you a tremendous amount of freedom. If you can take care of yourself, then you live a free life as you get older. But there are many benefits to moving more and moving more throughout the day. So it's not just getting out for a daily walk. It's also moving more during the day. So rather than parking as close as you can to the mall, to the store, to your office, whatever that might be, park way further back and then get those extra steps in. Take the stairs whenever you can. And if you sit at a job, at a desk all day, set an alarm for about every 45 minutes or so. And when the alarm goes up, get up and walk in place or go take a walk for 3 minutes. And if you're moving at a slow pace, you might add an extra 200 steps. Now, if you did that 10 times during your day, that would be 2,000 extra steps that you would include in your daily movement practice, which over time is a tremendous amount of extra movement. There's also, we've all heard the idea about sitting is the new smoking. Sitting too long isn't great. I know sometimes I get focused on what I'm doing and sit too long, and I get achy and get up and do some squats and I walk around for a few minutes. So it really is beneficial. But getting out and moving and walking, it's good for your heart. It's good for your mood. And it is good for your energy. There's many, many benefits, but those are 3 additional that I wanted to share. So we'd love to hear from you. How do you get up and get moving every day? Do you walk? And how do you move more throughout your day? We'd love to hear from you. If you type the word longevity in the comments, I will send you our free 33-page The Benefits of Health for Walking report. So we'd love to hear from you. Please subscribe to our channel. I'm Wendy, wendybottrell.com. Enjoy.